Welcome to AQUALINE's manufacturing facility in Dubai, where engineering concepts are transformed into reliable water treatment solutions. Every project begins with a detailed technical design, developed according to the client's water quality, capacity, application, and site requirements. Inside our factory, our experienced team manufactures and assembles customized water and wastewater treatment systems. Each component is carefully selected, assembled, and inspected to ensure quality, durability, and reliable operation. Our in-house manufacturing capabilities allow us to maintain greater control over production quality, respond quickly to urgent project requirements, and reduce delivery time. From precision fabrication and electrical assembly to piping installation and final testing, every stage follows a controlled quality process. Before shipment, each system undergoes a complete inspection and factory acceptance testing to confirm that it is ready for operation. With our Dubai factory, AQUALINE delivers more than equipment. We deliver customized engineering, faster production, reliable quality, and complete water treatment solutions ready to serve projects across the Middle East, Africa, and beyond. AQUALINE water technology, engineered for water, built for performance.